Besides the first 2 innings of this series, the Seminoles were shut out. 15 straight innings not being able to put a run across the board as FGCU matched exactly what Florida State did last night. A 5-0 win here tonight for the Eagles on Wednesday night.
The main thing that I'd like to do is tip my hat to Nick Deckert and Joel Desquins, both young men that we knew very well. But I tipped my hat to him. He came in, did a good job. Of course, Deckert pitched at TCC. It's just one of those games that you literally give the credit to the other club. They deserved to win. They played airless baseball for 2 games. Ironically, 2 5-0 ball games. Unfortunately, we weren't in on but one of them. We're always concerned if we get shut out, but if you get shut out without DJ Stewart in there, you have a tendency to make an easy excuse. Not that we're going to make any excuses.
Seminoles are back out on the road now. They'll head to South Bend to take on Notre Dame this weekend, a Friday, Saturday, Sunday matchup with the Fighting Irish. Stay right here at Seminoles.com. We'll have your complete Seminole coverage at Dick Howser Stadium. Jonathan Schlacey, Seminoles.com.